Hi everyone, my name is Puvi. Today we will discuss about Smart Attendance System and how it works. Let's first look at the attendance as usual scenario and how the attendance details are being captured using the current systems like biometric and ID card punch systems. Let's consider an employee E1 who wants to enter the office. So he swipes in. Once he swipes in, the date and time information is updated into the database with the status as in. But after swiping in, instead of entering the office, the employee E1 goes into pantry. Strange. So let's consider there's one other employee, say E2, who wants to enter into office. He swipes in and goes into the office, and his swiping information is entered into database. After some time, say he wants to have a break, so he comes out by swiping the card again. His swipe out information is again stored in the database with the status out. Looks like E2 and E1 are friends. E2 calls E1 to join him. E2 swipes his card and enters the office, and E1 goes along with him. And the same information is updated in the database as well. So, let's see what are the challenges we face using the current systems. And few are listed over here. The first key challenge is the current systems allows tailgating. The scenario which we have seen so far is called tailgating. Because of this, the data present in the database becomes highly unreliable. The second key challenge is employees sharing their ID cards with others for attendance. This is becoming a very common challenge, like an employee giving his ID card to his friend to swipe him on his behalf. And again, because of this, it creates the third critical challenge, which is the inaccurate attendance information. Most of the companies use the attendance data as one of the key attributes for performance appraisal. This key attribute becomes unreliable because of the inaccurate productivity time stored in the attendance system. The other key challenge is the business revenue loss. Companies spend more revenue on recruiting more people because of this highly unreliable and inaccurate attendance information, resulting in the business losses. Let's see what is the real need for an automated attendance system and what our industry experts says about this. Why an automated system is required, an expert's view. According to a career builder survey released in February 2015, 68% of employers expect employees to be on time every day, and 11% of employers allow employees to be late every once in a while. The other key statistics here is 19% of employees admit to buddy punching, which is like tailgating, and 23% of employees admit to tailgating. The other key statistics is 35% of employers reported they have fired an employee for excessive tardiness, and 60% of respondents say their employees aren't accurately reporting their time. It's a huge challenge over here, but I am pretty much interested about this key metrics, which is 19% of employees admit to buddy punching and 23% of employees admit to tailgating. So let's see how this critical information impacts financially a company. So this table shows different metrics like average time taken by an employee to fill the weekly timesheet, which is like 10 minutes per week and 860 hours per year for 100 employees. Okay, so likewise we have many metrics, but I am very much interested in the last metric, which says total hours spent in manual attendance work, which is 3,710 hours for 100 employees per year. This is a huge cost. If we consider an average wage of employees as $10 per hour, then a company is losing around $37,100 for 100 employees per year, which is a huge amount. And that's why the industry experts says that an automated attendance system makes much sense and eliminates all this critical challenges and financial impacts of a company. So let's see how the smart attendance system helps us to generate accurate attendance information of the employees. The smart attendance system works on BLE or Bluetooth Low Energy technology. It has two primary components. One is the BLE receiver and the BLE beacons. The BLE receiver sends signals to detect the BLE beacons, and the signal's proximity and frequency is configurable as per the business requirements. Example, if you want to have more coverage, yeah, it's possible in this way. We can configure it in the system. And if at all, if you want to have a less frequency, or a frequency which, like, every 10 seconds we have to detect, or every 30 seconds we have to detect an ID card. So it's also an easily configurable one. Something like this. And other key feature of our solution is our BLE receiver also carries an inbuilt camera to take pictures. Whenever there is an ID card detected by the BLE receiver, a picture is also taken to confirm that the person is same as in the ID card. If it isn't the case, then an alert will be sent to the management according to the workflow design. The BLE beacons is like an ID card which will be carried by the employees. This carries the employee information like employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. Once it is detected by the BLE receiver, the employee information is registered in database automatically. In this model, there is no tailgating, or the employees cannot carry others' ID card. So this solution is almost 100% foolproof. Let's see how Smaart Attendance System works. So in this case, employee 1 enters the office, no swiping is required. His ID card is detected by the BLE receiver and his attendance information is automatically updated in the database. Similarly, when he goes out of the office, his attendance details are updated automatically in the database, resulting in attendance foolproof solution. Smart Attendance System also comes with highly interactive dashboards and analytical reports. Few reports are shown here. This one, which is shown to you, shows the productivity hours of the employees by month. This clearly and quickly tells you that employee E2 is not productive. He has to be closely monitored. This analytical graph shows you the total hours spent by employees in pantry. This again clearly shows you that employee E1 spends more time in pantry than at workplace. So he has to be warned about this. And the third one is a very interesting graph. It shows like the timesheet hours versus actual working hours by week. So the employees, they fill the timesheet. Most of the employees fill that 8 hours per day, and they give different activities. But the actual working hours might be less than 8 hours. So in this case, it's clearly seen that every other employee has logged in 40 hours per week, but the actual working hours is less than 40 hours. So this is a great metrics for the manager to clearly identify which employee is more productive, and which employee has to be governed. The other key feature of the Smart Attendance System is its integration with the existing payroll systems. All the leave and attendance details are shared with the existing payroll system with ease. So let's see what are the key benefits of the Smart Attendance System we have discussed so far. The first one, it's a foolproof solution for attendance management system, because it eliminates the scenarios like tailgating, as well as like the friends giving the ID cards to some of the friends to swipe in and out on his behalf. Secondly, this is 100% reliable attendance information, so the company could use this data in a more efficient way for budgeting and other resource recruitment process. Third key benefit is the predefined key analytical reports and graphs, which gives you an immediate solution as well as to helps you to take quick decisions. Other key benefit is easily integrated with the existing payroll system. It's a very cost-effective solution. Easy data migration from the existing attendance systems to Smaart Attendance System SAS. So a very interesting point here is the total weekly savings of $800. It's a huge amount, and when we consider that as an yearly savings, then it gives you like around 40,000 US dollars. That's a huge amount. And finally, timesheet validation with total working hours. So these are the key benefits we we have seen using this Smaart Attendance System. Thank you very much, and if you want to know more about the Smaart Attendance System, please contact us at iotix@iotix.com. Also, alternately, you can call us at 8056 242299. Thank you.